What's going on, everybody? How we doing out there? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, we're back, guys. I want to show you something, especially my legacy builder colleagues, okay, the affiliates that's already promoting legacy. I want to show you something. But before we get into that, make sure you go here to check out my projects to see what I got going on. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info because sometimes you'll see me remove a project, right? Or you may see me add one, okay? Or there may be something there I just haven't promoted in a while and I decided to put it back on the website. All right, so go here to check things out, coffeeandcoins.info, because I may not even do a video about it. Okay. All right. Now, with that being said, want to because you know I'm in Legacy. The folks that's been following me, the Legacy Builder Program. All right. If you don't know, yes, I'm in the Legacy Builder Program. Been in it for what, 2 years now. Been promoting it. Basically, it's been one of the main programs because it's been consistent. All right. And then I recently got in Home Business Academy, right? Because I believe that is the training hub for any program you're promoting. The Home Business Academy is a training hub. I would not look at this as an opportunity. Of course, if you don't have anything that you're promoting, you're not an affiliate for another program, and you're looking for something solid residually, the Home Business Academy could be an opportunity for you. But for us, for those of us that's out here that's affiliate marketers, network marketers, digital marketers, all right, that's already promoting a program for people that need training, this is the hub, the Home Business Academy, right? Now, but before we get into that, FTC disclaimer we must mention because we can't make any guarantees, okay, of income, okay, that you could make. Have no idea what you can make. So, FTC disclaimer, average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, visit income.thehba.net. To earn much higher amounts, it takes commitment, work, and skill. So you have to do the work in order to get the results, all right? Now, with that being said, let's get that out the way. All right, I'm in Legacy Builder, and I've been using the funnel builder, right? Because you need a capture page. If you're going to be a marketer out here in this space, make money online space, all right, as an affiliate marketer, you need capture page to collect your leads. That's the #1 thing, not making money, right? The leads. You got to build your list, all right? So you need a marketing funnel. Now, the Legacy Builder program comes with a couple pages already done. We just follow the steps to activate them via system.io, right? Oh, and by the way, excuse the noise. We got some work being done around here, and they got these loud fans going on, all right? And it sounds like it's in here with me. All right, so anyway, excuse that loud noise. Now, so the program comes with a few capture pages, all right, and they're tied to the system.io. System.io is been great. I've learned to navigate it on my own. Initially, I had no idea about system.io, all right, until I got into Legacy. But they walk you through everything on how to set it up, how to link it up to the Legacy program, right? However, what I want to talk to you guys about is everybody's using those same pages. Everybody's got those same pages. So to differentiate yourself, right, set yourself apart, you need to build your own pages. Now, in the Home Business Academy, they've got tons and tons of done for you pages that's already in there. But let's go over here because I want to show you guys what we got going on. Now, I'm over here in the Home Business Academy. Let's get into my quote real quick for today. Success is never on discount. The author of that is Eric Thomas, the hip hop preacher. Go check him out if you don't know who he is. All right. Influencer, motivational speaker. Matter of fact, he was one of the special guests. I don't know if you guys been checking out the AI Summit from Alicia. He was one of the guests on there. It was Russell Brunson, Eric, and some other folks, right? So anyway, he's an influencer. But that's the quote for today. All right. This is in Let's Go, Home Business Academy. Now, so what I want to talk about is the Home Business Academy has the funnel builder, okay? Again, you need a funnel. I don't care what you're promoting. You need to build your funnel. You don't want to be out here just using that same capture page or not even having a capture page at all. You need to set that system up, guys. That is your goal, mine, because if any of these platforms disappear, you still have your email list that you can broadcast out to your leads, to your subscribers, to your folks that's following you, and let them know what's going on. And continue to send those emails out on your own, okay, to let them know what's going on and what you're promoting. So, Home Business Academy has what they call the funnel builder. It's only $25. This company's been around for 10 years, solid. They have not changed one single thing far as their comp plan, any of that, right? But this funnel builder has been one of their staples, if you will, right? $25 a month. That's very minimum and affordable for anybody getting started out here. And not to mention, you can earn residual from that. Everybody you refer, all right, to the funnel builder, you're going to earn $20 commissions over and over and over and over and over. Okay, month after month, as long as they keep their membership. So, you need to consider setting yourself apart, all right? So, we know this is one of the pages they have in Legacy. Great, it's good, but guess what? It's been around. It's been around for a minute. This was a part of the 2.0, so it's been around a while, right? So, set yourself apart by getting involved with the Home Business Academy Funnel Builder. So let's go in here. I think I'm logged in already. Hang on. I am. So in here is the Funnel Builder. Now let's take a look. You click here to under Funnels, and you see I've created, and I'm just really getting started. I've got 17 pages. I just got started building. All right. So you click here, Add New Step. Simple, guys. Click Page, and voila. Look at all the done-for-you funnels they already have in here. Okay, tons and tons and tons of these pages. I mean, I can go on and on, on and on and on and on and on. Okay, you can come in here, make some quick little edits, and then you have a page. I showed you guys that. I did one for you one day. What did it take? Less than 5 minutes to create a page, and you got you a page, and you're automatically going to look different than the next person, okay, in Legacy Builder, okay? So it's as simple as you come here, you can preview these pages. Look at all these pages. Where was one I just looked at? Just a bunch of them in here. Tons. Just pick you one. You could pick one. Whoa, I'm going too fast. Hang on. Something simple, guys. Something simple. Because look at this. This is simple, right? You got a picture here. This is the Legacy one. One of the ones they got. Keep it simple, right? If just looking at it, if you didn't know this was Legacy, it doesn't say nothing about making $900 or $300, any of that stuff. Keep it simple, right? That's theirs. Now, again, you come over here, look at this one. Let's preview this one. Okay, not that one. Let's pick another one. I'm just giving you an idea of what you could do. You could come over here. Let's go to, oh, there was one. Check this out. Watch this. Look. Here's one. Look. Click preview. Free training. Learn how to build. You just type in here. You could, if you wanted this one, let's say you wanted it. Let's hit select. Demo legacy. I'm just making something up. Add. Okay, boom. I'm on the page now. You see how easy that was? Free training. Learn how to build a daily income. Look. A daily income working 2 hours a day from home. Okay, you see that? Now let's take this out. I mean, it's just that. Boom. That's what I'm saying. And then I can click right here and hit save. Boom. I just got a page. Just like that. So what I'm saying is come over here and create something different. Just changing it up just a little bit. Because you do get free training. I mean, you can switch this up to make this fit around the legacy program. You could say right here, interactive training, which is true. That's what they offer, interactive training, along with daily video coaching. This is all true. You see what I'm saying? I'm just showing you how simple it is to switch, edit these pages over here. Boom, save. Okay, I'm not ready to move with it yet, so I'm just saving as I go along. You see this? Learn how to build a daily income working 2 hours a day. Or you can switch it because people know about the 2 hours. You can say 1 hour a day. Right? 1 hour a day. I mean, you can make it whatever you want. You could say an hour a day on your lunch break. Any of those things. But it could be for the legacy. Right? And then what you would do is you come over here and you click here. Right? And you forward it to your legacy thank you page. Very simple, guys. So I'm just showing you, this is a tip. This is a tip I highly recommend. I've done it myself. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you. I wanted something different. I wanted to make a page that's different. So I've already set up me a new page, and I've set up two pages. I'm gonna have 3 or 4 pages that looks different for the legacy program. And I've linked it to Aweber. Okay, so anyway, we're over here on the HBA new page, right? So we'll come down here. The link is in the description, so you can go and get started and get in this funnel builder so you can set yourself up to be different. Here it is. Come all the way down. It says HBA funnel builder, $25 a month. Capture leads and make sales. Oh, by the way, did I say you get unlimited? You can make unlimited pages. There's no cap on how many pages that you can make in the funnel builder. Okay? So build websites, funnels that actually convert. And here's actually they do a little demo on here. See how easy it is to build. They even show you on our sales page here how simple it is. Okay? So it doesn't matter what you're promoting. Get a different look. Okay? Promote whatever business you're promoting. Make sure you look a little different. So the Funnel Builder Academy, learn how to build the pages that convert. On this page, Sage AI Chat answers your upsells, earns even at 2 a.m. They've created on this page right here to the right, that's what they're talking about. The Sage AI Chat bot. The Template Club, done for you high converting pages. That's what I just showed you. Unlimited, you have access to create as many as you want. And you earn $20 commissions for everybody you refer to the funnel builder. You're in profit after you get 2 people. So think about that also. Your folks from the legacy program, may say, hey, well, where did you get that page from? I want something different too. Well, then you give them your link for HBA. Your page is going to look like this. They sign up and you earn $20 month after month after month. All right. So again, here's just one of the pages I created. I am, where did it go? Right here. I'm creating, I've got 2 or 3. All right. So looking for a marketing system for the legacy program, come check out the Home Business Academy or whatever other program you're in. But I was just speaking of legacy because I know a lot of people have inquired about, well, does it have more capture pages we can select from? All right. So this would be my solution for you. All right, guys. That's it. That's all. Go ahead and get signed up with me. Only $25 at Home Business Academy. And if you have not checked out the Legacy program, guys, check that out as well. It's 100% commissions, instant pay, $100, $300, $600, and $900 commissions. They have 4 products. All right, check it out. That's it. That's all for today. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Make sure you like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you next video. Have a blessed day.